Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy M52 5G and let me show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to left corner button. When we pick it, we can open camera settings. Now let's focus on selfies category. At the second place here we have save selfies as preview option, so this is our mirror effect here. By using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need, and we have also short info from the device that this can save selfies as they appear in the preview without flipping them. So of course you have to remember that to make it work we have to change back camera to the front one by simply tapping on this button from the right. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.